Hi guys, today I'm going to tell you how do you register and attend the one-day orientation program for CS Executive and Foundation that is held in Bangalore. First of all, when you have registered for your CS Executive Foundation, you might have given your branch name, like which chapter you registered for. If you're given in Bangalore, then you might be getting an email or a WhatsApp message from ICSI Bangalore chapter. But if you're not getting that, I'm sharing you the number of that chapter, and you can directly text them on WhatsApp, and I'll add you to the group where you will get all the notifications and also when in the next orientation program getting held and the link to register for the same. If even after registering for the WhatsApp group and you're still not able to get the emails, and if you're in a hurry and you want to know what is the next orientation program, I'm giving you an email ID of the coordinator of the orientation program. Email her and tell her your query. She's very helpful. She'll help you to attend. So if you're in Bangalore, get down at Hosahalli metro station, that is in the purple line after Magadi Road. So if you go for the orientation, there you'll get a kit and a pen, a notebook, and a one-day orientation, like the timeline schedule, which is quite good. There are few faculty which will come and tell you about ICSI, how to study for exams, and let's just say it's like a good experience. If you go with some questions, you can ask questions, get your people what are they doing and how do you proceed if you have any doubts regarding CS executive and the career of CS. After completing, you'll get a certificate. Like the one day audition program has been completed and you have unique ID, and they'll upload the same online so that you can later attend the exams. I think that's what is required to attend the one day audition program. So, but still, if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. I'll let you know, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.